Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Messi and Ike show. I don't need Messi. Ike and his family had a meeting about his partner Messi Ike. Messi and Ike's reality show is getting hotter and hotter as Ike just made a careless statement about his partner Messi Ike, which has sparked so many reactions online. Ike angrily said, "I don't need Messi." What next is the show to watch in order to know what's up with your favorite ex-BB NAIJA couple, and considering the recent issues in their relationship for a while now. The statement made by Ike means so many things. Ike made this statement during a family meeting with his favorite uncle Charles, his aunties Cleopatra and Carol. Also included in the meeting was his cousin Prince. They all came to his house for an emergency meeting over the drama going on social media about his relationship with Messi. Ike's family stressed that the drama going on in his relationship with Messi is not only denting his integrity, but it is also affecting that of their family. They made it clear that his relationship with Messi is not healthy, and the issues caused by their fans on social media is making everything worse. During the meeting, Ike's aunt Cleopatra said the family will be very blunt about his relationship with Messi, and saying the truth was the best option at this point. She went further to state that it's an insult for Oyema's family members to be perceived as gold diggers, as she clearly stated that they are not after Messi's wealth. Responding to all what his family has said, Ike said he expected his family members to be 100% supportive and forget about her. It was at this point he made the statement saying, "I don't need Messi. This is what a family needs to get in their head." The meeting ended after Ike's uncle Charles said Messi and Ike needs to close their ears to what is happening on social media and pay more attention to their relationship. He also called for another meeting with Messi and some of our family members as well. Let's hope the two families can help resolve the problem in Ike and Messi's relationship. What are your thoughts, guys? Kindly share your thoughts in the comment section below. Please, if this is your first time of viewing my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.